Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com coin. More expansions going on for Cronos. Huge news today. Recently, they jumped into a new market in South Korea through some acquisitions, which is great to see, but there's a newcomer to the table today. Got an article that came up about 6 hours ago. This is news today. You'll see it on Twitter, but I'll show you here right now in this video. Also, I'm going to be showing you what I recently did with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu pumped 30% just the other day. I'm going to talk about why and what I did when I saw that happen, because I do have some Shiba Inu myself. So we're going to get into that and more in today's video. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Again, I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. If you haven't done so already, tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. I got 3 videos coming at you guys every single day. Also, if you want to take out a free trade, you can go ahead and sign up with the link in the description down below for Femex. You can get up to $4,100 of free money if you set up an account using that code down below. So check it out, guys. Let's hop into the charts. Let's peek at the market cap here in crypto for the day and see what's happening in the market. So right now, a crypto market cap of $1.15 trillion. Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum dominance, sitting strong. Shiba Inu is currently the #1 trending token here, so this is very exciting. Shiba Inu, when it moves, and as you guys saw, this thing moved 30-something%, but as you can see right now, I think it just touched 0.000018. It's already down to 0.000015. So it came down a little bit here, and if you look at last month, look at the rise that it had just in the last day. So I was starting my Sunday off, and I happened to look at my phone, and boom, I saw the pump, and all of a sudden, I was up quite a bit of money on my Shiba Inu, and so I saw a 30% pump, and you know what I did, and I got to just share it with you guys. I sold quite a bit, and I took quite a bit of profit, and you could say that I dumped some SHIB, but I'm just going to say that I took some profit. Now, this is exactly why I was holding Shiba Inu, because I know, and I'm sure all you know, that Shiba Inu out of nowhere sometimes, just like it did, can pump. And if you're holding it, you have an opportunity to take some profit. A lot of folks are going to look at this as a kind of selling and taking profit opportunity. I did, and I intend to get back in. Let me be very, very clear in that I still love Shiba Inu. I think it's a great pump token, but take profits when they're there, and I actually sold some for Ethereum. So that was my strategy. That's a short-term play. I don't recommend over trading, but I knew what to expect out of the Shiba Inu pump. We came up, and we kind of came right back down. With Crypto.com, I want to show you guys something that popped up with Crypto.com here. So I was looking at DeFi Llama, and I was looking at Cronos chain. So when you look at the biggest DeFi projects in the crypto market, #1 is Ethereum. A total value locked up of $38 billion. You can see that right here. In comparison, you've got Cronos, which has $1.1 billion. Now, projects like Binance have $5.76 billion. So this is approximately, Cronos is approximately 1/6 of Binance's total value locked up. And then there's some others in between here. This one came out of nowhere recently, Aquila. So recently, Cronos jumped down. It used to be in the 7th spot. Now it's in the 8th spot. Well, what is Aquila, and why did it take over Crypto.com? Might be concerned. Well, I looked into it, and I'm not that concerned. I mean, there are going to be projects that might be better than Crypto.com. It can certainly happen. Cronos chain's a great chain, but there's a lot of projects. There's a room for a lot of things in crypto. Aquila, though, falls 99%. Its stablecoin fell 99% from some hackers here that happened recently, and the network froze. And so this exploit raised questions. I don't expect this Aquila to stay ahead of Solana and Cronos for long. This Optimism coin has been coming up, though, quite a bit. Pretty sturdy. Haven't heard too much negative news about that. So Cronos is a top 10 DeFi chain. Opportunity for you guys to get involved in a smart contract play, an exchange token, and just a fun cryptocurrency altogether when you're investing in Cronos. I love the project myself. Check out some of my price predictions. Just did a $30 price prediction video for Cronos. Now, that's more of a 2030 price prediction. We'll talk more about what will happen in 2030 in another video, but I love talking about Cronos because I think it's an absolute great project. I think all the exchange tokens, FTX and Binance, are fantastic. projects. So that's something I want to bring to you guys. But let's talk real quick again here a little bit more about Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu, why did it pump? Well, people are talking about a crypto game. So basically the story is Fortune magazine is claiming that the Shiba Inu focus game is a reason for the rise, which might contribute to it. So that's one piece, and it's similar to like Axie Infinity, so that could be a cool factor. Another one that they were talking about is it could be because it's got some tokens, Bone and Leash, that are on Ethereum, and because of the excitement for Ethereum that's coming up, and the merge that's going to happen, that this is why it pumped. I don't think that's why Doge pumped. I think Shiba Inu pumped because Shiba Inu pumped. Sometimes things pump for no reason. And when I see that happen, I look at that as well, it's probably not going to last long. It came out of nowhere. Now, we've been proven wrong before. Shiba Inu's flown to the moon, and that's when people got rich, right? But we're in a bear market. I saw a 30% pump. I took some profit. And I hope you guys did too. It's probably not too late to do it, but holding some Shiba Inu is a great strategy too. I'm not saying you should sell your Shiba Inu. I would never suggest really a trade. I'm more of a suggester of dollar cost averaging, and this isn't financial advice. I think, you buy and hold, but sharing you guys what I'm thinking on Shiba Inu right now. And here's another point. I mean, they even mention it here. I don't know what's happening right now. A user Reddit said, so this is a random user Reddit, but user on Reddit, but a day like today presents an amazing selling opportunities for lots of people. And they said that SHIB's value could drop as quickly as it rose. And I mean, I agree with that statement. So I kind of want to mention that. Really exciting. SHIB Army, shout out to you. I hope you guys took a little profit. If not, I know you're hanging on because I know that this coin will go up big time in the next bull market, which who knows when that might come along. Might come sooner than we think, but most likely 2024, 2025. So we'll see. We will see. Also, big deal just happened for Crypto.com. They signed pre-registration undertaking with the OSC. What does this mean? This means that Crypto.com is expanding once again into another country, looking at undertaking with Ontario Securities Commission in Canada. Guys, Crypto.com's going into Canada, and we're going to get a bunch more users on the Cronos chain, on the DeFi projects, and you're going to probably get more advertising in Canada. And I think it's just going to get a larger market for Crypto.com and Cronos, and this gives us more opportunity on top of all the exciting news. Recently going into South Korea, obviously all the marketing partnerships that they've had. Guys, these crypto exchanges will not stop. FTX is partnering with everybody. Crypto.com is partnering with everybody. You see Binance even starting to dabble with more advertising as of late too. Guys, love these exchange plays because they have the money to advertise these projects, and they're projects that are easy for people to understand. It's a crypto exchange. Very exciting. Canadian crypto adoption for Crypto.com. Fantastic, fantastic news. Well, what do I think is going to happen here across the week? I mean, I was peeking here at Crypto.com. I was peeking at the charts, and I had a fella ask me, and shout out to the chat. Leave me a comment in the chat box down below because I want to answer your questions. Somebody asked me yesterday, well, do you think, when will 30-cent CRO happen? Well, when you take a peek at the market and you look at a 15-cent CRO, basically, when will we get a 100% rise out of CRO? Well, if we look at the all-time chart, we've gotten back in November, and again, shout out to the chat. Somebody mentioned from November to October, we had a 500% gain, and we certainly did. We went from 20 cents all the way to basically $1. That was fantastic. What an awesome appreciation that was. But I think that we could go to 30 cents in like the flick of, just a couple seconds. I mean, this is 30 cents. This could happen. Boom. All of a sudden we get a rise. In the next 2 to 3 months, we could see it before the end of the year. Let's just say this. If Bitcoin goes to about $35,000 to $40,000, I think you could see a 30-cent CRO sooner than later, maybe even in 2022. So you could double your money if you're holding some CRO, in my opinion. But most importantly, we're here for the long term, people. We're in crypto because we want to make money, so we want to be smart. We want to hold for the long term. You get a tax advantage, long-term capital gains versus short-term. You're going to actually get taxed less by Uncle Sam if you're holding it for longer. So we're incentivized to do that. If you're holding for the 30-cent CRO, then you better take some profit. If you're holding for the $5 CRO, then you better hang tight you better dollar cost average, and you better keep an eye out for that next bull market, because that might be possible. If you don't believe me, check out my $5 CRO video. Check out my $30 CRO video. Let me know what you guys think in the chat box down below. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Take advantage of the free money in the link down below when you sign up for FEMAX. And as always, you gotta remember, guys, to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.